All right, so this is Bella. She's an 8-year-old Jack Russell Terrier. So this is her. I'm her third trainer. One of her biggest problems is she has extremely high prey drive. Also, when she tends to see certain dogs, she has dog aggression. She's very smart. The funny thing is that she'll see if you're watching her, and if you're not paying attention, that's when she'll act out. So one of the things that we've done is we've taken her out to extremely high dense dog populations, mainly in parks where the dogs are controlled because the owners don't trust her off leash. She's 8 years old, so there are some things that are ingrained with her and some things we can work out. One thing I will run on her is an e-collar. Now, the reason being is for the second line of defense. So she understands her commands, but sometimes that instinct takes over. So I need something that's going to catch her attention to break her out of her hunt drive. So the only thing I'll use the e-collar for is the recall and to leave things alone. The rest of the stuff she's fine with. So once I've done that, then I'll teach the owner, and then we'll rinse and repeat until they understand. So this is just the beginning. We've had her for 2.5 weeks, so we're undoing a lot of bad behaviors that have occurred over the years. So does it happen in a month or two? You'll definitely get improvement, but through my classes, the dog will only get better because there's always going to be constant repetition. We're going to be placed in different areas and scenarios, so it helps the owner understand how to read their dog, when to react, when not to react. So, but yeah, once she's done, we got to train the owner.